guys, in this tutorial I'll do some like elevator from platform. It will be a simple elevator that will emit light when you step on it. It's a request from Unreal Answers, so let's do it. I will use as a template a third person template. So we have some character and basic stuff at the beginning. So let's create project. Okay, here we go. So we want some type of platform that will shine when our character step on it, and after a few seconds it will work as an elevator. So at first we want to have some place that we want to go to, some higher level. So I don't know, let's take geometry, cube, and I will select geometry editing here, click on the face, move it, click on the face, move it, click on the face and move it. Okay. Secondly, we want to build our elevator, maybe here. So we want it to shine on when the player step on it. So let's create new material. I'll call it platform material. Some problem with typing, but it's normal when making tutorials. Okay. So now we want its base color to be black, but while holding free, I clicked here, so I have some color that I can set. Let's say it will be reddish kind of thing. Okay, it's more like orange now. And let's multiply it by some scalar parameter. To make a scalar parameter, you have to click left mouse button while holding S key. Scalar parameter is used to control some values in a blueprints. So let's call it brightness, and put it to emissive and compile. Okay. Next thing, we want our elevator, so I will create new blueprint class. It will be an actor. I'll call it platform, and let's add a mesh, a static mesh, that it will be mesh of our elevator. It could be floor. Okay. And secondly, let's create a trigger. It will be a box collision here. Let's put it in the middle. Maybe I will drag box to static mesh. So now when I move a static mesh, the box will move with it. I think I will move the platform to the center of our actor. And let's scale our trigger. Okay. Now, on the begin play, we want to get our static mesh and create dynamic material instance, so we can control it. It will be our material from beginning of tutorial, so it will be a platform material, and let's save it to variable. It be dynamic material. Okay. We have our material in the variable, so we can control it, and we can now in any time change our parameters value, so our brightness can be changed when the player step on the platform. So we can see we have here an event actor begin overlap, and it will fire up when anything will overlap our platform, our collision box, this box. Yep. So we want to check if it's a player, so I will cast it to third-person character. So if it's a third-person character, we will go here, and here we can add timeline. I will double click on it, add new float track. I will call it brightness, and left shift click here and say in time 0 I want value of my brightness to be 0, but after 2 seconds I want it to be 1. Okay, let's right click on those and use auto, so it will be nice and smooth. Also check use last keyframe, so our animation will end here, not here. So after 2 seconds, when it will be done, it's end of our animation, just like you want it. Okay. Now every update, every time our timeline is updated, moved, we want to change our brightness of our material. So let's drag dynamic material. You can drag it and then select get, and let's set scalar parameter value. So our value of brightness will be now brightness from timeline. And secondly, when our player step out from platform, so it will end overlap, we want to just play timeline from reverse, so it will go black to dark, back to black. Okay, let's put our platform here. We can see it's black. I'm not exactly sure if yeah, it's a typo here. It should be brightness, not brightness. So now let's check it out. Boom. In next part I will show how to move it like an elevator. See ya.